What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on AMP token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the total sentiment of the crypto market. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the price of this token. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from Webull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks, link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, somewhere at this point, and I've told you that we might go lower from this point, and we had major news that was announced right before this date, and it was made on their official Twitter page, and it was related to Binance US, and basically it was listing on Binance US, and the date of listing was July 29th. Basically on July 29th, on Thursday, it was listed. And I've told you that Binance US is not the biggest crypto exchange. Binance Global is the biggest, but Binance US is just a small part of the Binance Global. And because of this, we had a lot of anticipation of this listing, but you have to keep in mind that you should buy the rumor, sell the news. And right here on July 29th, we have this massive movement to the downside. And from the highest point to the lowest point of this price action, we have about 21% of decline in price. And basically, I was expecting for this price action, and it happened. So, and let's continue with the total sentiment of crypto market. We are on coinmarketcap.com, and for now the total market cap is $1.6 trillion, and we have 3.4% decrease over the last day. And definitely we have some consolidation phase with Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies, but despite of this sell-off, we still have 3.45% rise in price of Bitcoin during last 7 days, and we have 10.74% profits for Ethereum during last 7 days. And this means we are still on green territory, and the total sentiment is green. So, and let's continue with AMP data. For now, we are sitting at the level of 0.06584, and it's down for about 8.48%. Its total market cap for now is $2.78 billion, and the total tradable volume during last 24 hours is $51.26 million, and it's up for about 28.25%. So rather good and healthy, I have to say, price action, and we have this surge in volume during this sell-off, and basically it is not a good sign, but it happened in the leg that is preceding the next potential movement to the downside, and this means we are short-term bearish. So, and let's continue with the AMP definition. What does it mean and what it is all about? And let me quote you their AMP 101 section. AMP is a digital collateral token designed to facilitate fast and efficient value transfer, especially for use cases that prioritize security and irreversibility. As collateral, AMP ensures the value of any transfer while it remains unconfirmed, a process which can take anywhere from seconds to hours to days. AMP tokens used as a collateral are generally released when a consensus for a particular transfer is achieved, making them available to collateralize another transfer. In the event that a consensus is not achieved for the transfer, the AMP collateral can instead be liquidated to cover losses. So, they have very good use cases, and in my opinion it is a very good intention, and it is a very good point how you can use this token, and that's why in my opinion it has a bright future in the long term. And basically this means we can rely on this token at least for the medium term in order to make some profits. And let me show you their Twitter. Basically for now they don't have new tweets, that I didn't cover in my previous video. They just posted this on July 31st, and it says AMP community member as Rick1 will be hosting an AMA with Garda wallet. Submit your best questions by August the 5th. So, and if you want to take a part in this AMA session, basically you can submit your questions and you can take a part with this AMA session. But for now, let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, let me give you a broader picture of this price action. And I drew this channel on my previous video, and basically I have some doubts about this upper resistance, because we have major movement to the upside and then we came back inside this channel, and this is my main concern about the upper resistance. But the lowest support is 100% legit, and we have 3 touches so far, and it acts perfectly well during this price action from the January of 2021 till present day. And I have my Elliott wave breakdown for the latest wave, and we have 5 waves completed during this movement to the upside. And for now we are on retracement mode. And according to Elliott wave theory, 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is only 1 wave on a greater scale. This means, in my opinion, we might finish only the first wave on a slightly bigger scale, and we have to determine next wave to the downside, it is a second wave, third wave to the upside, the strongest wave according to Elliott wave theory, and fourth and fifth to be determined in a relatively far future. So, and what should we expect next? Let me show you more thoroughly. Right here, some of analysts draw this type of pattern. It is a triangle. And basically, I don't like this pattern right here, because this pattern violates several rules. So, we have the highest point of our entire 5 wave right here. And that's why we have to connect not only these wicks, but we have to connect this wick as well. And if we connect it, it invalidates the entire resistance, because we cannot connect these two. This is the first concern. The second one, we can see this type of triangles only on 4th wave. And according to my Elliott wave breakdown, we are on a second wave retracement, and second wave usually has the shape of a simple zigzag, and we cannot see this type of formation, this type of triangle in a second wave. This means we have 2 possibilities. Either my breakdown is irrelevant and I am completely wrong with this, or this is not a triangle, and we will see it in a matter of I guess a couple of days. So let's delete these 2 lines. And what should we expect? Let me show you more thoroughly that we might have this as our ABC correction, simple zigzag, and we have to land the bottom of our C wave. And this pattern doesn't violate any rules, because we have 3 waves in our I wave. Right here we have this. Oh, sorry, wrong tool. We have this as our A wave, B wave and C wave on a smaller scale. And we have also 3 waves in a B wave. This is A, this is B and this is C. And we don't have 5 waves yet in our C wave, and we have to have 5 waves in it. This means we have more chances to go even lower. And it is not a bad sign, it is definitely a good sign, because with this movement to the downside we have more steam in order to collect some power to break all the resistances that are above our current price. So, and what should we expect? Basically, the most probable level of trend reversal is 0.618, 0.65. And for now we hit the level of 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, and we can easily have a trend reversal from this point. And if you are risky enough and if you want to invest in this token, just follow my 3 simple rules. Do not put the money that you are not willing to lose, do not go all in, and do not put stop loss close to your entry price. We have about 40% probability to have a trend reversal from this very point, and we have more chances to hit our lower prices. And I have to say that usually the ratio between A wave in a retracement and C wave is 1:1. But we also can have some lower extensions, and let me measure it. I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this top to this bottom and to the top of retracement. And what do we have here? We have the level of 1:1 extension at 0.786, and we might hit even these low levels with the price action. But for now we have more confluence levels, and we have more probabilities to hit this level, and we have 0.786 confluence level with our golden pocket. And in my opinion, this is our next potential target, and you have to be prepared to this price action. And let me define our next major targets. And definitely, we have this point as our all-time high, and we might have about, let me show you, if we pull the projections from the level of about $0.5 to this top, we might have about 100% of potential profits to hit our all-time high. And this is our medium-term target, but we will have more data in order to make some projections right after we will have a trend reversal. And in this case, I will do another update for this token, and we will see what should we expect in near future. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!